Hi everyone, my name is Jomar Montais, taking the Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering. For this video, I will demonstrate to you the safety measures, safety precautions, calibration, and involving using an analog multimeter. So this is a multimeter and their parts. This is range selector, quartz, and test probes. The red is positive test probes and the black is negative test probe. So this is a test pins. This is a needle corrector, pointer, scale, and this is a 0 ohms adjuster. This is a resistor. This is a alternating current voltage block, direct current voltage block, and direct current milliampere block. So for safety precautions, make sure do not drop any meter, do not overload any meter when in doubt. Use a high range. What you know will not be overload. You can always switch to a lower range if necessary. Before you connect a meter to a circuit, ensure that the range switch is set to an appropriate position. Be careful not to touch any other electronic components within the equipment. Never switch settings, voltage to current, for example, while the probes are connected to a circuit. Before you take a measurement with your multimeter, you should visually inspect it first. Check the meter, test probes, and accessories over for signs of physical damage. Make sure all plugs fit securely and keep an eye out for exposed metal or any cracks in the casing. You should never damage test probes. So now, to determine the multimeter is functioning, make sure the pointer is looking at her 0 ohms. So the range selector is already in a times 10 resistor block. So it is in a lowest range. So now let's try a test. If the pointer is at going in 0 ohms, it is functioning. So let's try. So the pointer is at point of 0. The multimeter is functioning.